Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to save Instagram photos and videos to gallery easy guide. So first, to be able to begin, just open the Instagram app onto your device. So right after, click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom part of the screen. Right after that, click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part to open the settings and activity. So scroll down until you find in the option in here for your app and media. So the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and adjust in here is the media quality. Click on media quality in here and make sure that the upload at highest quality is toggled on. Now go back and then click on archiving and downloading. Make sure that saving to camera roll is turned on. So save original photo should be toggled on and save story to camera roll. So once both of them are already turned on, it has enabled already the settings on your Instagram to automatically save your unedited photos, videos, and stories to your phone gallery. So if you're looking to easily save your Instagram content for offline access, so this is the perfect guide for you. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.